today we're doing some of my homemade slime. So let's get started. So first, I think this is chameleon, and it's like putty. And it ain't like so like it, it's not so hard. Oh my goodness. My goodness. So this is like putty. So I'm so sorry that I haven't made videos in a while, and I'll make them more regularly now. And this is not that satisfying, but it's okay or alright. Oh my goodness. On to the next one. So I have this googly eye pink glitter slime. I call this Jello. I have 2 Jello slimes. I'm going to show one after this. And this is not that stretchy, not that satisfying, but listen. Eye bubble. So satisfying. I play with it every day. I made it in my vacation and I haven't showed it yet. I'm such an idiot. So on to the next one. I think it's another Jello slime or not. So this one is also a Jello slime. I call it Jello. And it is a blue glitter slime, and it's clear. I come in a second. I'm back, so oopsies. I think I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Yeah, I'm not gonna try it. So I'm going to now bring the next one. But my magic working? It doesn't work. Finally, it worked. Now this is a purple fluffy or a cloud slime. Moonless. Like, I wouldn't say it's like fluffy. I don't know what shape. It's really weird. I don't know what texture is it. It's like clay pie or something, but I have a knife in hand. So I'm gonna try to make a swirl with it, and then I'm gonna spread it like butter slime, if it does, because it looks really spreadable and breakable. Right there, that's a good girl. Oh my goodness. Like this worked. It's really smooth, like lightweight in your hands. So, on to the next one. So now we have a magnetic slime, and it's my personal favorite. So, it's also like putty, and I have this magnet stick here with me. It has a magnet attached to it. You can see, like this. It I didn't have some like a lot man. However, it's not powder, so it's not that strong. But like so so now I'm gonna like pick it up. Boom, pick it up. So like it will cover in a slow time. As you can see, it's like covering it up. It like looks like a bean bag. It's like magnetic and it's like holds in a magnetic stick. Let's see. Oh my goodness. It looks like a balloon. And it's so stretchy. It's so putty. Oh my. Did not go over there. Please. First accident in the video. Yeah, that's very much. Like, I think I don't have more slimes. Or do I? I don't know. Sorry. You can see is the slime covering it up. Slower look. It's like really slow. Oh my goodness, it's like covering up. So now I'm going to tell you some hacks about slime. You can wear it as a necklace and you can make a pendant with it. You can also make fun jewelry to impress your friends.